This is Megamaster How To. Ek is Leon Grop. I am Leon Grop. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use your offset smoker. Now, smoking your meat requires a bit of extra time and patience, but it adds amazing flavor to your meat. We're using the Coalsmith series. This one is called the Delta. Its big brother is called the Alpha, like me. Now, there are three ways of using your Delta. The first one is a normal braai. Jy weet, viertjie, worsie, choppie, mielie, lekker. The second way of doing this is called smoke roasting, otherwise known as cold smoking. Now remember, cold smoking is not when you have a cigarette on a winter's morning outside. Use your offset smoker, make a fire, and when your coals are ready, add some soaked wood chips. The smoke will then flow from your offset smoker into your main chamber and out the chimney. As a rule of thumb, add new ready coals every hour with some new fresh wood chips, and then the smoke should be fluffy and light, like my personality. And don't open the lids too often. Ek weet jy is nuuskierig, Susan, maar nee. You can regulate the airflow by using either the vent on the side of the offset smoker or the chimney. The third way of doing this is a combination between smoke roasting and braaiing. You're still going to make fire in your offset smoker, add the wood chips, and you're going to make fire inside the main chamber, add your vleisie there. And the main reason for doing this takes up a lot less time. Nou ja, toe. That was Megamaster How To.